to add the little cute butterflies on it. Let's see, what should I do? Maybe here. Let's see. So it's only have half the nails. I apply the chamfer foil. I hold chamfer foil in there. So then let's see where I am going to put my butterflies. Right there. Let's see. It should be good right there. Just make sure you press it firmly. I should have hole and tie the butterfly there, but it's at half of it. You can see it chamfer already. Look at that. It's completely chamfer everything out. And now I am going to add some crystal on. You can see whole piece of chamfer foil came right off. I am so excited. Let go right in. This one, the one I'm using, and keep 30 seconds. I'm going right into condensed glue gels. I will add some crystal on it, which just make it so much fun. Makes it blink out more. If you want, you can just, you know, put some line on it or however you prefer, but I want to put some crystal on to make it fun and sparkle. That's it. I'm just doing it right on the diagonal, just angle. And cap on. I wipe my brush up and cap on. And no wipe top coat. I am going to apply completely, cover, hold, and tie the nails, because after we apply the crystal on, then your nail is completely done, and you go back with precision glue, so you don't have to go back and try to get the top coat applied between the crystals. That's going to be really pain, and you might accidentally get all the top coat on the top of crystal. So what blue should we do? Should I do this one? It's like a Bahama blue, and this is aqua blue. So which one? Right hand or left hand?